Hello friends, welcome to the Sustain Agro channel. Today we're going to talk about something that revitalizes the soil and turns your crops into gold. Yes friends, today we'll learn how to make organic fertilizer from cow dung, an A to Z guide. That is, how to prepare 100% natural fertilizer from cow dung, right at home or on the farm. First, let's understand the necessary ingredients. 50 kilos of cow dung, 10 liters of cow urine, 1 kilos of jaggery, 1 kilos of gram flour or chickpea powder, 100 liters of water, and a clean 100-liter drum or earthen pot. Mixing process, mixture preparation.
Now let's move on to the most important step. Clean the drum thoroughly, then add the cow dung. Now mix cow urine, jaggery, and gram flour in a little water and add it.
These three ingredients together activate microbes which work wonders in improving soil fertility.
Now add about 100 liters of water and mix well. The process of preparing your Jeevamrut has begun. Cover this solution and keep it in the shade for 7 days. Stir it once every morning and evening.
After 6 to 7 days, its color will turn light brown and the smell will become slightly sweet, meaning your Jeevamrut is ready. This is India's true organic fertilizer, the one that keeps the soil alive. Now let's talk how to use it in the fields. Mix 1 liter of Jeevamrut with 10 liters of water. Apply to the roots of the crop. Repeat once every 15 days. Mix 1 liter of Jeevamrut with 20 liters of water. Spray in the morning or evening. That's all you need to do, and your crop will be chemical-free, organic and healthy. Compost fertilizer. Solid form.
If you want to make solid compost, mix cow dung, dry grass and soil into a pile. Add a solution of cow urine and jaggery on top and keep turning it for 45-60 days. You'll get black, brown, and mildly fragrant organic compost fertilizer.
Microorganisms in the soil increase. Water retention increases. Plants become stronger. Diseases are less likely to occur. And most importantly, the cost is only Rs80 to Rs100 per acre. If you want your compost to be double potent, add 1 liter of neem extract, 500 milliliters of buttermilk, and 100 grams of turmeric. This will create a natural pesticide plus fertilizer combo. Keep a few important things in mind. Do not store it in the sun. Keep it in the shade. Do not mix with chemical fertilizers. Always spray in the morning or evening. Doing so will increase the effectiveness of the fertilizer. Friends, if every farmer used this fertilizer made from indigenous cow dung in their fields, our earth would once again become a golden bird. So let's leave chemical farming and move towards organic farming. If you liked this video, like it, share it with fellow farmers, and be sure to subscribe to the channel Sustain Agro so you can keep getting such powerful videos on organic farming every week. Thank you.